Dear student, today's student learning outcomes are multi-programming operating system, multitasking operating system, multiprocessor operating system, parallel processing operating system, embedded operating system, multitasking and single user operating system. Multi-programming operating system, sharing the processor when two or more programs reside in memory at the same time is referred as multi-programming. Multi-programming assumes a single shared processor. Multi-programming increases CPU utilization by organizing jobs so that the CPU always has one to execute. To overcome the problem of underutilization of CPU and main memory, the multi-programming was introduced. The multi-programming is interleaved execution of multiple jobs by the same computer. An OS does the following activities related to multi-programming. The operating system keeps several jobs in memory at a time. This set of jobs is a subset of the jobs kept in the job pool. The operating system picks and begins to execute one of the jobs in the memory. Multi-programming operating system monitor the state of all active programs and system resources using memory management programs to ensure that the CPU is never idle unless there are no jobs to process. Now discuss the advantages of multi-programming. High and efficient CPU utilization. User feels that many programs are allotted CPU almost simultaneously. Disadvantages: CPU scheduling is required to accommodate many jobs in memory. Memory management is required. Now compare batch processing with multi-programming. Student, we have discussed batch processing in our previous lecture. In batch processing, grouping of several processing jobs to be executed one after another by a computer without any user interaction. Multi-programming is used to execute multiple programs at the same time on a single processor. Batch processing is slower, multi-programming is faster. In batch processing, CPU might stay without performing a task. In multi-programming, CPU always perform a task. Batch processing helps to minimize human interaction and cost. Multi-programming provides maximum CPU utilization. Now, multitasking operating system. Multitasking is when multiple jobs are executed by the CPU simultaneously by switching between them. Switches occur so frequently that the user may interact with each program while it is running. Multitasking operating systems are also known as time sharing system. Time sharing operating system we have discussed in our previous lecture. These operating systems were developed to provide interactive use of a computer system at a reasonable cost. Multitasking operating system or time shared operating system uses the concept of CPU scheduling and multi-programming to provide each user with a small portion of a time shared CPU. Each user has at least one separate program in memory. An operating system does the following activities related to multitasking. The user gives instruction to the operating system or to a program directly and receives an immediate response. The operating system handles multitasking in the way that it can handle multiple operations, execute multiple programs at a time. A program that is loaded into memory and is executing is commonly referred to as a process. When a process executes, it typically executes for only a very short time before it either finishes or needs to perform input-output operations. Since interactive input-output typically runs at slower speed, it may take a longer time to complete. During this time, a CPU can be utilized by another process. Now discuss multiprocessor operating system. A multiprocessor operating system is a software that controls the operations of two or more CPUs within a single computer system. All the CPUs of computers share the same main memory and input-output devices. Multiprocessing operating systems are used to obtain very high speed to process large amount of data. It executes a single program using many CPUs at the same time to improve processing speed. Multiprocessing operating system can handle tasks more quickly as each CPU that becomes available can access the shared memory to complete the task at hand, so all tasks can be completed the most efficiently. Multiprocessing operating system perform the same functions as single processor OS. They schedule and monitor operations and calculation in order to complete user-initiated tasks. The difference is that multiprocessing operating systems divide the work up into various subtasks and then assign these subtasks to different central processing units. Now parallel processing operating system. Parallel processing operating systems are designed to speed up the execution of programs by dividing the program into multiple fragments and processing these fragments simultaneously. Such systems are multiprocessor systems, also known as tightly coupled systems. Parallel systems deal with the simultaneous use of multiple computer resources that can include a single computer with multiple processors, a number of computers connected by a network to form a parallel processing cluster, or a combination of both. Parallel computing is an evolution of serial computing where the jobs are broken into discrete parts that can be executed concurrently. Each part is further broken down to a series of instructions. Instructions from each part execute simultaneously on different CPUs. Embedded operating system. An embedded operating system is a built-in OS which is embedded in the hardware of the device. It controls the operation of devices such as microwave oven, TV, camera, washing machine, games, etc. The embedded operating system also makes the device's hardware accessible to the software that is running on top of the OS. Embedded operating system installed in numerous handheld devices, appliances, equipment, and vehicles. The criterion that makes an operating system an embedded operating system is that it is installed into the firmware of the device rather than the hard disk. It is also generally not user installed, although in the smart and tablet world, upgrades are downloaded and automatically installed at future intervals. Embedded operating systems are typically much more compact than their desktop counterparts and are often designed for real-time operations. Now discuss single-user and multi-user operating system. Single-user operating system allow only one person to operate the computer at a time. Commonly used single-user operating system is DOS. Multi-user operating system allows many users on different terminals or microcomputers to use the resources of single central computer server in a network. Multi-user operating system is used on servers in business and offices where many users have to access the same application software and other resources. Some examples of multi-user operating systems are Unix, Linux, Windows 2000 and onward, and Mac operating system. Okay, dear student, that is the end of today's lecture. Now it's your turn. Challenge yourself. You can see few questions on the screen which are based on today's lecture. Kindly solve them. Thank you.